Okay, on the last layer of the cube, there's a couple different steps because now we have to be really careful that what we do doesn't mess up these first two layers that we've already done. So when you get to the last layer, you will find there's only really, I think, three situations you might see when you get to this last layer. If I look at these edge pieces up top, you will find either this kind of L shape, kind of hook shape. I think it's possible to only have one of these yellow pieces showing. You might have a line of yellow across here, or you might get lucky and have all of the yellow pieces turned up when you first get to this last layer. So regardless of the situation, if you get to the last layer and there's yellow showing on all these pieces up top, these edge pieces, great. Move on to the next step as far as placing, putting these edge pieces in the right place. But if not, like if you have this, or if you have the bar across, here's how to take care of that. If you do have this corner, rotate it around so that it is in the upper left, like this, before you do the algorithm. So the algorithm to orient, to turn all these pieces up top, yellow up top, is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now, you will say that has not fixed it. It has not fixed it. We'll get there. Like a lot of these different algorithms, you need to repeat it more than once to get it to do what you need it to do. But we have at least turned, we started kind of with the fishhook. Now we have this bar across, so that's good. That's progress. Do the same algorithm again. So F, R, U, U prime, R prime, F prime. So this is what we want. We have yellow showing up top on all of these edge pieces. Next step is to put these yellow edge pieces where we want them. Let's see how easy this will be. Well, okay, we have two that are already in the correct place. So, and same thing, there are only a couple of different situations that you will find here. You will either have two of them that are already in the right place. I think you can have none of them that are in the right place. And I think you can have one that's in the right place. But we're going to work with these two that are in the right place because that's what we happen to find. Put the ones that are in the correct place on the back and the right. So these are the correct ones. Okay, these are the incorrect ones, kind of the front and the left. If you have only one that's in the correct place, I think you need to put it in the back. I will double check that. But the nice thing is, like a lot of other algorithms, if you just keep doing this over and over again, eventually it'll get you to where you need to be. So the algorithm you need to kind of move these edge pieces around, but keeping the yellow on top, is right, up, right prime, up, right, up twice, right prime. And then you may need to, I think you need to add a little, add an up at the end to put these in their correct space. But you will notice now we still have the yellow cross on top. And now all of these edge pieces on the last layer are where they need to be.